Guys, in front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and let me show you how to reset app preferences. So at first open the settings, then find and select apps. Here enroll all apps and mark more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner. Now select reset app preferences, and if you truly want to remove all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application instructions, background data restriction for apps, or any other permission restrictions, just mark reset and wait till it's done. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.